Snoring might seem harmless, and yes, it can make you the star of the family camping trip, but it's often a sign of something more. Snoring happens when the tissues in your throat relax and vibrate while you sleep. But if it's loud, nightly, or paired with gasping or daytime fatigue, it could be a red flag for sleep apnea, a condition linked to high blood pressure, heart issues, and even memory problems. If your snoring's keeping your partner up, or you feel tired even after a full night's sleep, it might be time for a professional look. Here at Capital ENT, we've got real solutions that go beyond nose strips and elbow nudges. Everyone deserves a good night's sleep. Schedule an appointment with us today. Capital ENT and Sinus Center, your first step to breathing better.